Hello friends, I am Rashmi Kotharkar. Today's date is 20 July 2021 and today's my video topic is exception handling in Java programming. In exception handling, exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error and so that the continuity of the program can be maintained. Firstly, let's see about what is the exception in Java programming. Exception is a abnormal condition. In Java, an exception is a event that the disturb the normal flow of a program. It is the object which is thrown at the runtime. What is exactly the exception handling? Exception handling is an mechanism to handle the runtime error, such as the class not found error, class not found exception, and then input output exception, and SQL exception, and remote exceptions, etc. Let's see the types of exception in Java. There are mainly two types of exception. First one is checked exception, and second one is the unchecked exception. According to Oracle, there are mainly three types of exception is there. First one is check exception, second one is unchecked exception, and third one is error. Let's see the details of these three exception, that is check, unchecked, and error. First one is the checked class. Check exception. In check exception, the class is directly inherits with the throwable class except the runtime exceptions. This error is known as the checked exceptions. For example, IO exceptions, that is the input and output exception, and second is SQL exceptions, and etc. Checked exceptions is check at the compile time. Second is unchecked exceptions. The class which inherits the runtime exception is known as the unchecked exception. For examples, such as the arithmetic exception. Second is the null point exceptions, and third is array index out of bound exception, etc. Unchecked exception is not checked at the compile time, but it is checked at the runtime. Third exception is the error. In error is incoverable. For example, the out of memory error, virtual machine error, and exertion error, etc. Let's see about Java exception keywords. There are mainly 5 keywords used for handling the exception in Java. First keyword is try. A try keyword is used to specify the block where we should block and we should place the exceptions code. The try block must be follows either by either catch or finally. It means that the we are not use try block alone. So second is catch. It catch the block is used to handle exception. It must be preceded by try block, which means that it means that we can't use catch block alone. It can be followed by finally block later. So third is finally. The finally block is used to execute the important code of the program. It executed whether an exception in handling or not. Then fourth is throw. The throw keyword is used to throw the exceptions. Then fifth one is throws. The throws keyword is used to declare the exceptions. It doesn't throws the exceptions. It specified that there may occurs an exception in the method. It is always used with the method signatures. Then advantages of exception handling. So first advantage is the error is separate from the normal program logics. Then second, you have some choice where to handle the exceptions. Third advantage is the core advantages of exception is to maintain the normal flow of the program. The exception is normally disturb the normal flow of program, and that is why we use the exception handling in Java. The exception handling is the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors, so that normal flow of program can be maintained. So this is also the advantages of exception handling. What is the mean of these exception handling? Exception handling, it means that exception, it means abnormal condition. In Java, the exception is an event that disturb the normal flow of program. It is an object which is thrown at the runtime. Exception handling is a mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as the input and output exceptions, and then array out of bound exception, null point exceptions, SQL exceptions, and then remote exceptions, etc. There are five main keywords available in exception handling. So first we will see about the try keyword. The try keyword is used to specify the block where we should block place exceptions code. In a try block must be followed by the either catch or finally. It means that we cannot be used try block alone. Then second is the catch block. Catch block is used to handle the exceptions. It must be preceded by try block, which means we can't use catch block alone. It can be followed by using the block later. Then third is finally. The finally block is used to execute the important code of the programs. It is executed whether the exception is handled or not. So this is about the exception handling in Java programming. Thank you.